The Watchlist widget in TD Active Trader lets you monitor stocks, options, indices, and futures from one convenient location. To create a watch list, click the drop-down menu at the top of the widget. Copy one of the predefined lists or click Create New to make your own. Then, give your watch list a name. Now the watch list will show up under Personal. Once saved, your new list will be empty, so let's add some symbols in there. Use the Symbol field to enter a symbol or company name. Then, select the appropriate result to add it to your watch list. You can also add symbols from other widgets to a watch list via the right-click menu. To remove a symbol from a watch list, right-click it and select Remove Current. Watch lists have a predefined set of columns, but these can be customized as well. Use the hamburger menu to select Columns Customization. Drag columns you want to the right and drag columns you don't want to the left. They will appear in the same order in your watch list. So, set it up to your liking, then click Apply. Save your column set by clicking Template Management, then Save Current Template As. Template Management lets you toggle between, rename, and delete custom column sets. You can also reset your current columns to default. The Watchlist widget is essentially a table of data. This means you can sort the list by column heading, filter for symbols that only meet certain criteria, and resize a column width. You can change the order of the columns by dragging and dropping the column headings. From time to time, you may see icons to the right of the symbol. These indicate an upcoming corporate event, like a conference call, earnings announcement, or other recent news. You can customize when these icons appear by going to the hamburger menu, then Application Settings, then Display.